Hello guys, welcome back. This is your faculty Sudarshan from Hari Academy CACS CMA. Yes, this is a paper analysis of June 2024 examination paper 1 accounting. First, this paper is an easy paper but it is lengthy. The paper is easy but it is lengthy. Almost 65 to 70 percentage will be from book back only. It is from ICA study material, book back and illustration problems, and remaining 10 to 20 percentage will be from the past question papers they have tested. The 10 percentage they newly added, they may be some of the new questions has been framed. That's what the simple paper review is. We will try to do somehow in-depth analysis over that. Here, you know one thing, except bills of exchange, they asked everything. Okay, except bills of exchange, they tested almost everything. That 5% of the syllabus is not covered. Remaining everything they have covered. In case of this true or false, if you take question number 1, 2 and 4, yesterday we have uploaded super 100 true or false. In that the same 104 3 questions will be there. This you can easily manage. This all the errors are rectified by means of journal entry, and revaluation is known as a profit and loss adjustment account. This you can easily manage. The guaranteed 6 to 8 marks is there from there. Next, B, easy theory question, but what they have done now to make it somehow paper lengthier, previously they will ask this question is only for 4 marks. Now what they have done, this question is for 2 marks and then this is for 1 mark, this is for 1 mark. The paper becomes lengthier. You need to write more things in question number 1 because it is a compulsory question. Okay, next, this is a newly added topic of GST. They have tested it for 4 mark. If you rightly one journal entry correct, you will be awarded with 1 mark. So that is a marking over here, even though if you have tried to mistakenly write this 3 or 4. So don't worry, this paper you can easily score 50 plus is easy to score. This paper is not too worse, it is not too bad. 50 plus is easily do. If you somehow studied better, 60 plus 70 plus is like you can easily score that part. Then come to question number 2. They have asked the question regarding rectification of error. If my memory power is correct, this question is from illustration model only. Illustration model, they try to mix 2 to 3 illustrations and they have tested this. This is a 12 mark, easy. You can easily do. They itself they given pass the necessary journal entries with the narration with the above errors. So easily you can secure 12 marks. Somehow you may be struck at some point of that journal. It's completely fine. Then question number 2, that's for 8 marks. They have maximum in this paper. What I was find out was they maximum go with 12 plus 8 approach. Previously what they will do, 15 plus 5 approach they will do. In this time they have go with 12 plus 8 approach. Maximum 12 mark and 8 mark question has been tested. This question is from depreciation. They are asking the machinery account and ascertain the amount chargeable to profit and loss. Very simple. You need to prepare machinery account. That finally end of the value, what is the profit on profit on sale of asset or loss on sale of asset, you will find out and you will transfer it. I hope so. This is also a book back question. Okay. Next, question number 3 is regarding NPO. This NPO, it seems to be easy. Here and there they may test you with slight adjustments. Okay, the remaining everything part is easier one. They will ask only income and expenditure and balance sheet, and there is very few adjustments like that. This question is like your 12th standard question. That's how the simple the paper is going to be. This NPO is going to be a very simple one. Okay, but here and there they will play with few nuances. That's how the ICA will do. Then 2B, that's your 3B, that they have asked you the point of dissolution. This question we have uploaded a video for dissolution of partnership. The same video, the same question has been tested over here. This is a book back question, book back model question. You can easily secure 8 marks over from this. Okay, there is a stepwise marking. For realization they may give you 2 marks, cash and bank 2 marks, and then 5 marks for partners capital account. They are not even asked you to prepare the balance sheet. That is only that, because it is realization account, so they will ask you only the partners capital account, right? Your cash and bank account will get tally over there. Then 4, this carrying a business and profits, because usually what they will do, if they ask realization, they will try to test you revaluation also. So in that revaluation part, they have test you really well. This is also a book back question. Along with your past paper, they have test you. This paper is, they ask you revaluation, partners capital and balance sheet of the reconstituted firm as on. The adjustments are look like a simpler one as there is in your book back itself. So you can easily score good marks in this. Then this paper number, this next question will be based on your single entry system, accounts from incomplete records. If you know how to play a sudoku like this, complete that one account, then go with the posting in second account, then third account, it will be easy for you. The adjustments are not so difficult, it is a moderate in this paper. So this one, then the adjustments like somehow, where I get it, somehow this over the point, many of them are not having good practice over this single entry, may suffer in this question. Okay, next, the slight adjustments of one or two adjustments is somehow moderate. Then 5a they have given you, this is a book back question. I am damn sure there is an illustration based question from inventories chapter. For 5 marks they have tested. Okay, you can easily do this. Next, this B, either or type, they are asked. In either or type, they have given 5 marks for final accounts. Okay, that final accounts, machinery, manufacturing account, they have tested you, or else they have tested you banking reconciliation statement. I hope 90 percentage of the people will go for BRS only. This BRS you can easily, you can have been completed within that 15 minutes. You can easily find out this answer for this. You have done it. Then come to the B part, C part. That C part is also for 10 marks. How they have divided this, whomsoever taken this question, that question number 5, the paper will becomes lengthy, because 5 marks inventory, 5 marks BRS, and 10 marks of company final accounts you need to write it. So at the time, maybe the paper seems to be lengthy. This paper, what they have done, they somehow try to include forfeiture and reissue along with bonus chapter. They try to include and try to frame a new questions over there. Okay, so that somehow you will be facing difficulty over in adjustment number 2, 3 and 4. Before that, everything remains that same part. Okay, this, I think so, it is from the CA Inter old syllabus question, I think so. Will give you in-depth step-by-step paper approach in the after the post examination is over. We will do complete postmortem. Next, question 6a. 6a, I hope so, this is a book back question or an illustration based question. When I was getting into the teaching, at the time I get this question, they will try to prepare you to balance sheet immediately. Okay, you can easily do this question as well, because this also they will try to test you journal entry including narration to give a effect on above operation. Also prepare notes to accounts on share capital, reserves and surplus relevant to balance sheet immediately after the redemption. They have not even tested you to prepare balance sheet. You only need to prepare notes to accounts. For that, journal entry along with your notes to accounts will ensure you 15 marks. If you understand this part of the question correctly, you will not suffer. They itself given ignore date column in journal, so you will ignore the date column. This advantages of subsidiary books, this theory question, whatever they ask you for 9 marks, this we have provided in a Hari Academy theory book. That theory book only they have tested you. In true or false also we have given that material, in that also they have tested. So this paper, as I already told, it is a easy paper, plus it is slightly lengthier, time consuming. Almost you can able to attend 80 marks to 90 marks. In that you may expect 50 marks in this paper if you attend really good. Okay, this, with this same confidence, go with paper number 2. Paper number 2 we have already uploaded that 1.5 days revision study plan along with MTP analysis. Do well, write your law exam very well. All the best for your preparation. Signing